Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the multiple vacancies from the multiple departments. So it is a very good opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. But because as you see here on the screen, principals, deans, HODs, professors, associate professor and assistant professor, lecturer as well as the tutor and the non-teaching vacancies are there. So definitely to all the postgraduate candidates, whoever the subjects or the departments belongs to this one mentioned here on the screen. So it will be the wonderful and the good opportunity. Okay, so there is no application fee also, and simply you have to send your resume to the provided mail ID. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Present content of the video, it is IITM group of institutions Murtal. So from this one here we got the recruitment notifications, and it is a group of institutions was established in the year 2010. Okay, the institute has played a vital role in providing the technical manpower and know-how to the country in pursuit of the research. Okay, and if you want to know where exactly this institute is located, see guys, it is a campus address as well as a Delhi office address is also mentioned, and the offices are also there in the Delhi, Bihar, Northeast as well as the, it is the main campus. And coming to the main campus address here, they mention that 49 Milestone GT, Colonel Road, Murtal, Sonipati, NCR, Delhi, and here the contact numbers as well as the mail IDs are also provided. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification. So IITM group of institutions, International Institute of Technology and Management, and IITM College of Science, Arts and Commerce, and IITM College of Pharmacy and IITM College of Nursing, it is going to be proposed. So applications are invited for the following positions for various degree and the diploma courses. So principals, deans, HODs, professors, associate professors, assistant professors, lecturers. It is for the teaching vacancies. And coming to the non-teaching vacancies, administrative or teaching support staff, register, deputy register, assistant register, librarian, assistant librarian, and office assistant, lab technicians, computer lab technician, lab supervisors and lab instructors for all institutions and all departments. Okay, and coming to the arts, here the subjects are English, Hindi, history, political science, geography, Sanskrit, physical education, maths and psychology, etc. And coming to the science, physics, chemistry, maths, zoology, botany, etc. And commerce, accounts, business management, economics, etc. And coming to the pharmacy, pharmaceuticals, pharmacology, pharmacognosy and pharmaceutical chemistry, etc. And coming to the engineering, civil, CSC, ECE, EEE, mechanical, BCA, MCA, and management, BBA and MBA. And coming to the admission cell, admission officers, career counselors, telecallers, receptionists for the areas of Sonpat and Haryana, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, Northeast states, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Nepal, Bhutan, and other SAARC countries and African countries, etc. And the centers of excellence, skilled persons in the areas of CNC machine, IoT, robotics, artificial intelligence, embedded system, VLSI technology, AutoCAD, CAM or CAE, PLC, SCADA, automation, Java programming, PCB designing, computer programming, soft skills, personality development, pharmacy, etc. And coming to the others, sports teachers required, nursing tutors, clinical instructors, system administrator, network administrator, computer operator, designer, accounts officer, clerk, office staff, storekeeper, peons, electrician, plumber, gardeners, drivers and the conductors, etc. So these are also vacancies are there. Fine. So overall here the huge number of departments as well as the huge number of vacancies and the multiple subjects are there, and these colleges are affiliated to, each and every college. Why? Because here they mentioned that arts and commerce, technology and management, right? So here the arts and commerce college, science, arts and commerce college is affiliated to Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak. And like that you may check down here then the courses offered. So International Institute of Technology and Management, Arts and Science, Pharmacy, Nursing and the Multidisciplinary Education. So you may go to the individual departments here, and whatever the subjects are mentioned under these departments, for all the subjects you may apply, because they mentioned here etc, etc and etc. So salary or remuneration or pay scale as per the norms, and interested candidates may apply, or else send to the resume on hr@iitmanagement.com. okay, hr@iitmanagement.com, and the resume may be sent by post or may be submitted by hand at the institution's reception. Fine. So you may send through the email, or else you may hand over by hand to the institute reception, or else you may send by post. Fine. So here the address is provided, and here the contact number is at 8607100643. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact this number, and the official website is also provided. Fine. So these are all the details regarding this one. If you are having the post graduation in these departments and PG plus UGC NET, or the PhD, or the 10th class, or the 12th class, or the BTech, graduation, right? Graduation, post graduation, PhD, and UGC NET. So whatever the qualification you are having, so here the respective vacancies I am looking here, because if you are having the diploma or the graduation, you may apply for the lab technicians or few administrative posts. If you are having the PG, you can apply for the lecturers as well as the assistant professors. So PG plus UGC NET, you can apply for the assistant professor, and PhD means you can apply for the professors, HODs, principals, like that. Fine. So utilize this opportunity, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this from my side, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.